We cook dinner together pretty often, I would say. We try to, whenever we can. But tonight we thought we would take you guys with us.
Yay!
What are we doing tonight? Chicken spaghetti?
Chicken spaghetti.
Chicken spaghetti out of the Magnolia recipe book.
Yep.
All right,
Once I find it.
let's do it. We're gonna be watching this be like. Making them cry.
Oh. Yeah.
What is this? What is this one that you handed me? Half a cup? Smells good already.
Do a half cup of milk.
Into here. Please stretch for a second so I can lift it. Should I put the noodles back in?
Put it in the first one. Yeah, put it in
And just add
the
it. Keep going. Maybe 10 minutes. Good.
You sprayed it.
Yep. Good.
Now we gotta get a piece of tin foil. Spray that. Do you have it out?
Spray the tin foil.
Yeah.
Okay, so everything's done. 5 minutes left.
Until we take it out and take tinfoil off and put it back in for 5 minutes so it browns on top.
Right. Then we take it off and then it's time to eat.
Yep. Yeah. we don't have the parsley though, so it's not gonna look as pretty. A nice garnish on it.
But it's gonna taste great.
But